joined Garrison Basic School in Burma Camp. I started TinkerCoding in 2019. These are some of the courses I have learned: Scratch, MIT, Arduino, electronics, 3D design, and the current one I'm on now is artificial intelligence. I have some instructors. The one I have now, the name is Mr. Aklish. He's kind, generous, and understands what I see. This is one of the projects. So the name of this project is the Archery Target. So what Archery Target means is, it is where archeries, they use it for practice. Here's my coding site. Here's the block site. So in order for this code to start, we click run. And here is my archery target. Thank you.